Deep learning in very simple terms. In this video, we will learn about the deep learning and its working. So let's explore the mind-bending world of the deep learning explained in very simple terms, which is easy to understand for technical as well as non-technical person. Unravel the mystery of AI and data science with the clarity and ease of optimized learning and enhanced understanding. Discover the power of deep learning today. So, let's start. What is deep learning and why it is so much important for artificial intelligence? So, deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computer to learn by themselves without being specifically programmed. It is based on the network of interconnected nodes or neurons that can process and analyze large amount of data, allowing the system to recognize pattern and make predictions or decision based on that information. Think of it like a human brain that is constantly learning and adapting to a new information. Just as we learn from experiences and repetitions, deep learning algorithms use vast amount of data to improve their accuracy, make better predictions. This makes them ideal for tasks such as images and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars. What is interconnected nodes or neurons? In deep learning, interconnected nodes or neurons are the basic building blocks of neural network. These nodes are mathematical functions that take the input, perform calculation, and produce outputs. Each neuron receives input from one or more neurons and uses that information to compute an output value. This output is then passed on to the other neurons in the network, creating a complex web of interconnected nodes. The strength of these interconnected nodes or interconnections, or called weights, between neurons is adjusted during the training process to optimize the network's performance on a particular task. By adjusting these weights, the network can learn to recognize pattern and make prediction based on input data. The network of interconnected neurons is in deep learning system is what enable it to process large amount of data and learn from that data over time. Can I say? Can I say neurons as a combination of functions in a deep learning? So if you are a developer, you can easily understand the combination of function which is called object and class. So the same thing we are using in the deep learning. It is a mathematical function that a neuron applies is called an active function or activation function. The activation function is what gives the neuron its non-linearity and allow it to model complex relationship between input and output data. In addition to activation function, a neuron also has a set of way and biases associated with it. These way and biases determines the strength of the connections between neurons and help the network to learn from input data. A neuron in a deep learning system can be thought of a combination of mathematical functions, including the activation functions, the way, and the biases. By combining these functions in a network of interconnected neurons, deep learning algorithm can learn to recognize pattern and make prediction based on input data. Overall, deep learning is a powerful tool for solving complex problems that requires large amount of data, and it has the potential to revolutionize many fields from healthcare to finance to transportation. You can read the full article at sasankcreativity.com. Full link is in description. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.